In this video, we're going to learn how to create description lists using HTML. A description list is a list of terms with their corresponding descriptions or definitions. So let's create a simple description list using a couple of terms. So we're going to use HTML and CSS, and we're going to have a corresponding description of each of these terms. So first of all, let's create our first term. So to create a term, we need to use the DT tag for term. So our first one is going to be HTML. And then we're going to create the description of this term using the DD tag for description. So for example, we're going to say stands for hypertext markup language. So hypertext because it's using links which can be associated to text that we can click on. And it's a markup language because it's using tags to reference different HTML components. And the web browser relies on those tags to know and recognize each of the HTML elements. Okay, now let's create another term. So our second one is going to be CSS. I'm using again the DT tag, putting the text inside the tags. And then the description is going to go between the DD tags. And this time we're going to say stands for cascading style sheets. And we're going to be covering CSS later on when we finish this chapter in our second chapter. Okay, so that's it regarding description lists. Very easy syntax. So again, terms, we create them using the DT tag, and descriptions using the DD tag.